Namaste friends, welcome to JavaScript coding interview questions. Today question is what is async or await in JavaScript. Let's begin. Async function is declared with async keyword and await keyword is allowed within it. Let's see what is that. I'm opening VS Code. Here I'm writing file name is async.js. In that I'm taking one function. That function name synchronous I'm taking like that. Yeah, this is one of the function. This function is declared with async. How it is? Like this you can declare this async. In that we can write the await. How it is? We can see the next step. Move to the next point. Async and await keyword are used to work with promises in asynchronous functions. How it is? Let's see. I'm taking one more function. That function name promise. In that I'm taking return new promise I'm taking like this. I'm declaring one promise. In that promise already we know one callback function we can take. That augment we can take as a resolve like this. I'm taking, yeah, here I'm writing resolve. In that I'm giving calling promises. Yeah, this async or await function going to work with asynchronously with the promises. How it is we will see now. Next I'm taking here let outcome is a one variable. Yeah, in that I'm writing await. In with that I'm calling here promise function like this. I'm calling this. After that I'm like this shortcut that here I'm locking outcome like this. If I wanna going to call, what is the result it will be show. You can see before that we wanna call this function. Yeah, let's go to the terminal. I'm writing node and file name async.js. Let's see. This promise will going to work with async or await function. We are declaring here this promise function. It is going to call and giving the result like that. Yeah, move to the next point. Await keyword will only be used inside the async function and waits for it to resolve or reject. See here, this await keyword only used in between the async function. We cannot use outside of this function, and this await function will going to give the result of promises. It will wait some time. Move to the next point. The await express brings out the async function execution to resume until the promise is settled. This await keyword, it will be going to call this promise. It will wait until this promise is going to settle, that resolve or reject. Yeah, I will give take simple on console. In that I'm writing calling asynchron. If I want to going to call, first this function going to execute. After that this async it will be going to print this console. That is the point explaining that last thing. Just see it here. First the await is going to work out these promises up to settled. After that only this function, this console value will be going to print. That is telling about last point. Yeah, this is about the async or await in JavaScript. Let's take one quick reason. When interview asks this question, we can answer like this. An async function is declared with async keyword and the wait keyword is allowed within it. The async await keyword are used to work with the promises in asynchronous functions. Await keyword will only be used inside the async function. Wait for it resolve or reject. The await expression brings out the async function, execute to resume until promise is settled.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.